This conference will now be recorded.
Now, so in today's session, we are going to discuss about the lead conversion process. We will see what exactly the lead conversion process, how to do the lead conversion process in Salesforce, and upon converting the lead as a customer, what kind of scenarios will come into the picture, and how can we implement all those scenarios. We'll see, and how can we do the bulk conversions, how to convert the bulk lead records as the customers in Salesforce, or automatic lead conversions also. So now, first of all, we have to understand what exactly the lead conversion process. In our starting classes of our Salesforce, we have discussed about the concept of CRM process, and we have discussed about that CRM terminology. That means the various terms or the various vocabulary and the various words are the objects which we are using as part of the CRM application. That means as part of Salesforce CRM application, we are using the various terminologies, the vocabulary and the objects we are using as part of the Salesforce CRM application. Then all those terminology already we have discussed as part of CRM process. Now, so now during that time we have discussed about the concept of lead. So what do you mean by a lead? Lead is nothing but a person or an organization. Lead may be a person or an organization or a business who just showed interest in our products. Showed interest in our products. So now when coming to the lead, lead is nothing but a person or an organization who just showed interest in our product or services. So as an organization, we may be offering some set of products or we may be offering some set of services. And then in those products or in those services, the people or the organizations or the businesses who just showed interest, those are called as leads. So how we are capturing the leads? By conducting some campaigns. By using the various marketing channels, we can capture the lead people's information. So once the lead records leads information has been captured, then what will happen? Once the leads information has been captured, what will happen in this case? So once the leads information has been captured, then the marketing team is sharing this leads information to the sales team. The marketing department people will share this leads information to the sales team, so that the sales team is going to be collecting this lead records information. They will collect the contact details of the lead. Based on those contact details, the sales people will contact the lead over the phone or by sending an email notification or by meeting the people directly by taking the appointment. So the sales team, that means the sales managers or the sales representatives or the sales executives, these people are going to be meeting the leads by contacting the lead over the phone or by sending an email notification or by meeting the people directly by taking that appointment. So once they meet the lead person, then they will start giving the information about the organization. They will be giving the information about the products which they're offering, services what they were offering, and the benefits what they're offering, discounts what they're offering, warranties what they're offering. The whole information they will be sharing to the lead people. And then, so now once they are sharing this whole information, and then they will be following up with the lead people multiple times also, because initially the first attempt itself nobody will ready to buy the product. They may be expecting some discounts also. So whatever the discounts we are offering as part of that organization, that may not be sufficient for the customer. Customer may be expecting some more discounts. So in this case, so now the sales people are going to be keep on contacting the lead, and then they will follow up with the lead multiple times also. If required, they will be offering some discounts, and finally they will convince the lead people to buy our product. So once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as a customer. Now, in this case, whenever I'm going to be converting the lead as a customer, whenever I'm converting the lead as a customer, upon converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce is generating 3 records. The first one is an account record. Second one is a contact record. Third one is an opportunity record. You know that concept here. These are the 3 records we'll be generating by Salesforce. So whenever I'm converting the lead as a customer, then automatically Salesforce is going to be generating the 3 records. First one, an account record. Second one, a contact record. Third one, an opportunity record. That means account means what? In the sense customer. You know that concept. So previously he is our lead, but now he is our customer. Previously he showed just interest, but now he is purchasing my product. So in this case, whatever the leads information we have captured, all this leads information we are going to be converting as our customers by following up with the lead, by convincing the lead people to buy our product. So once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are going to be converting the lead as a customer. Then how can we convert this lead as a customer? Now let's see practically in this case. Now, so in this case, I am going to be converting the lead as a customer. So we know this theoretical concept. So upon converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce is generating the 3 records: account, contact, and opportunity. Then how Salesforce is generating account, contact, and opportunity records upon converting lead as a customer? Now let's see practically. Now what is the internal concept? Let me explain. So how it is creating an account record, how it is creating contact record, how it is creating opportunity record. Okay, now let me explain. So I'm converting the lead as a customer. Whenever I'm converting the lead as a customer, it is generating an account record, contact record, opportunity record. That means what? Whatever the details are available inside this lead record, these details are going to be passing to that account record and then contact record and then opportunity record. That means lead record details are copying into account, contact, and opportunity. Then which field values, which details are copying into account, which details are copying into contact, which details are copying into opportunity. We should be able to understand first. So let me explain. Whenever I'm converting the lead as a customer, what field values of lead will be copying into account, what fields of lead will copy into contact, what fields of lead will copy into opportunity. You will see practically now. Now, so now let's see how can we do this one. Now, so in this case, so this is my lead object over here. That means lead record. This is my lead record. And then inside my lead record, I'm having so many fields are available. Okay, so many fields are there. Like as the lead first name, lead first name, lead last name field, title, company, status field. That means lead status. And then rating, industry, annual revenue, phone, fax, and then title. Title I already have given that over here. So now the city, street, state, country, and the postal code. Like that, we are having that so many fields are available inside my lead object. Along with that, you can lead source field also. Lead source field, and then email field, and then website field. Like that. All these fields are available inside my lead card. So now, whenever I'm going to be converting this lead record as a customer, whenever I'm going to be converting this lead record as a customer, this entire lead record I'm going to be converting. Okay, whenever I'm going to be converting this lead records information, so now which field value will be copying into, okay, which record, okay, which field will copy into which record. Okay, now let's see practically in this case. Now, so now here in this case. So now whenever I'm going to be converting this lead record as a customer, which field value will copy into which record? That means this is first name field value will copy into account record, contact record, or opportunity record. I want to know that. Then how can we identify this one? Now let's see practically. Now, so upon converting this lead record, so now whatever the fields are available inside this, okay, this will be copying into which record over here. Okay, record name. Into which record it will copy that here. Now, record name and then field name. Will it be copying into account or contact or opportunities? If it is copying into account, in which field of account record it will copy? Okay, now let me explain. This is the internal concept of Salesforce. Now, so whenever I'm going to be converting the lead record as a customer, Okay, then whatever the first name field is available in the lead, that will be copying into the contact records first name field. It will copy into contact records first name field. So whatever the lead records last name field is available, that value will copy into contact records last name field. Title will copy into contact records title field. Company field will copy into account records name field. And then opportunity records name field. So whatever the company name field is available inside my lead record, that company name value will copy into account records name field and opportunity records name field. And the status lead status field will not be copying into anywhere. And then rating value will copy into account records rating field. Industry field will copy into account records industry field. Annual revenue will copy into account records annual revenue field. Phone will copy into account records phone field, comma contact records phone field. And then fax value will copy into account records fax field and then contact records fax field. City value will copy into account records billing city field. Billing city field. Street field will copy into account record billing street field. State field will copy into account records billing state field. Country field will copy into account records billing country field. Postal code will copy into account records billing postal code. Lead source will copy into contact records lead source field. Email will copy into contact records email field. Website will copy into account records website. This is a mapping. This is a mapping of the fields, okay, in the lead conversion. So whatever the lead record details are available, it will copy that lead record details. With this details, it is creating the account record, contact record, opportunity record. Okay, now. So now
Sir,
here in
what
this
about
case,
sir?
sorry. No.
What about
So what about?
Sir, he's asking what about status?
Status field will not copied anywhere. That's what I told you, right? Status field will not be copied anymore because status field is used to indicate whether this lead record is converted or not, in order to know that. Okay, now for that reason here, now it won't copy this value anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Now, so now here in this case, whenever I'm going to be converting the lead record as a customer, whatever the lead field values are there, these field values will be copying into the respective field of account, contact, and opportunity. Now, in this case, how can we convert this lead as a customer? Now let's see practically in this case. Let me show you the practical part now. Whenever if you want to convert the lead record as a customer, we have to use the convert button. We have to use convert button. By using this convert button, we can convert the lead record as a customer. Okay, by using this convert button, we can convert the lead record as a customer. Now, that possibility is available. We are going to be converting the lead record as a customer with the help of this convert button. Now, so now here in this case, how to convert this lead record as a customer? Now let's see practically. Upon creating the lead record inside the lead object, it is having these buttons are also available. convert this lead as a customer. Now let's see practically in this case. Now let's see the practical part. Now let's go to the Salesforce instance. Take any lead record. Assume that I'm having a lead record with the name Ekta Kapoor. So this is one of the lead record which I have created in the past. Okay, this is one of the lead record which I have created in the past. Now once the lead record has been getting created by giving all these details, now okay, in the detail page of this lead record we have a button called as convert button. On every record detail page, you know these buttons: edit button, you know; delete button, you know; clone button, you know; sharing button, you know. You will be having two additional buttons on the lead. One is find duplicates, second one convert button. Two buttons will be additionally available on this lead record. On every lead record, you will be having these two buttons additionally: convert and find duplicates. Find duplicates is for what? In order to know, okay, whether do we have any duplicate records with this lead details or not. With the same details, do we have any lead records are available or not? To check that, so we are going to be using this find duplicates. Like for example, assume that one person has visited the multiple campaigns. Okay, one person has visited multiple campaigns. In this case, what happened? Multiple records will be there with the same details. So at that time, do I need to contact the same person again and again and again? No. We don't need to contact. Person is only one, but he has visited the campaign of Amirpet, he has visited the campaign of Begumpet, has visited the campaign of some Madhapur also. 3 places he has visited here. In this case, we no need to contact this person 3 times, just we need to eliminate the duplicate so that we can utilize our resources very, very efficiently. We can save the time also. So now in this case, to check the duplicates, we are using a button called as find a duplicate button, which has been given by Salesforce by default only for the lead object records, not for the other object records. Next, the next button is convert button. What is the use of this convert button? This convert button is used to convert the lead record as a customer. Okay, this convert button is used to convert the lead record as a customer. In order to convert the lead record as a customer, we are going to be using this convert button. Then how to convert this lead record as a customer? Now let's see practically in this case. Now click on convert button. Click on convert button. Here you will be having some fields are available. Let me explain these fields. It is indicating that okay, record owner, who will be the owner of this lead record, we can specify that. Currently, development user will be the owner of this lead record. So now still you want to continue this person as the owner? Yes, if yes, then you can specify that. Okay, or else you can change this owner also. Next. The second one, send email to owner. That means once the lead record has been converted as a customer, regarding this lead conversion, you want me to notify to the lead owner or not? You want me to send an email notification to the lead owner or not? We need to indicate that. So I want to send an email notification to the lead person, lead record owner. Lead owner should be get notified. That means his lead record has been created. So they're converted. Now, I'm selecting this checkbox. I want to send the email notification to the lead owner regarding that lead conversion process. So why? What is the need of sending this email notification? Now let me explain. For example, assume that I'm a salesperson. So now I'm a salesperson. Assume that Sai Mohan is my sales manager. Okay, Sai Mohan is my sales manager. I am the salesperson. I'm a sales executive. So now today, Sai has assigned some 10 lead records to me to follow up with these leads and then to convert these leads as the customers. So as part of my job, I'm having some targets. For the sales people, there will be some targets are available. That means there is a target like we have to convert these many number of leads as customers in 1 month. There is some limitation. There is some targets are available. We need to reach those targets. That is a mandatory principle. That is a mandatory principle over there. Now, so in this case, what happened? So now assume that I'm having some 10 leads are there, because as part of my daily work, as part of my sales representative work, I have the target of 10 lead records. So if I'm converting more than 10 leads as the customers, then I will be getting some incentives. I will be getting some bonus. So in this case here, so now by end of this month, okay, today I'm informing to Sai because he is one of my sales manager, Sai. So now here this month I have converted some 12 lead records as the customers. As part of my job, I have the target of 10 leads, but 2 more additional leads I have converted as the customers. That means I have improved some revenue for my customer. So please give me the incentives. Then if Sai asks me, what is the proof? Firoz, what is the proof that you have converted 12 lead records as customer? What is the proof? Then what we can show? How can we explain them? So for that one, as a sales representative, I need a proof, right? So that by end of that month, I can share to Sai, these are the 12 lead records are there, which I have converted as a customer. So as part of my target, so not 10 lead records I need to convert, but 2 more additional leads I have converted this month. So please give me the 2000 as incentive for me. So that he will verify that and he will be giving some additional incentives to me as well. For the sales people, salary will be less, incentives will be more. Based on the performance, they will be getting incentives. They will be getting rewarded. So for that reason here also, I want some confirmation. Whenever the lead has been converted as a customer, I want an email notification. This email notification I can show to the Sai. So this is the confirmation mail. This is the lead record which I have converted on so and so date and so and so time. So these are the account contact opportunities have been generated. Like that, I can forward all these 12 lead conversion mails to the site. Then he will verify all these things. He will be giving the incentives. That's what here I need that email notification. Send the email notification to owner. This is the purpose. And then, whenever I'm going to be converting the lead record as a customer. Okay, upon converting the lead record as a customer, that I already told you. So now it is going to be creating one account record and a contact record and opportunity record. So what is the name of this account record? It is indicating IBM Incorporation. Where I have given this IBM Incorporation, this value I have given inside that company name field. Inside my lead record, in the company name field, I have given this value like as IBM Incorporation, and with the same name, it is creating this account record. With the same name IBM Incorporation, it is creating opportunity record also. That's what I told you. Whenever I'm going to be converting the lead record, all the lead record values will be copying into account, contact, and opportunity. Whatever the company name field is available, this company name field of that lead record will copy into account records name field and opportunity records name field. That means with the same name, it will create an account record, it will create an opportunity record also. This is the internal concept. These mappings, you should be aware of that. Okay, these mappings, you should be aware of. So in this case, I want to convert this. And it is indicating the lead status. Okay, what is the status? It is indicating over here closed, converted. That means we are converting this lead record as customer by closing this lead record. I'm closing this lead record, but I'm converting this lead record as a customer. Okay, so now click on say convert button. Now it is giving some error messages to me over here. Okay, validation error on account, new customer should be always in active status. That means what? Whenever I'm going to be converting the lead as a customer, it is going to be creating one account record, one contact record, one opportunity record. Now, you know the concept of validation rules. On my account object, I have some validation rules. On my contact object, I'm having some validation rules. On my opportunity object, I'm having some validation rules. Generally, validation rules will be getting tried when before insertion, before updation. Before inserting an account record or before after inserting an account record, my validation rules will be getting fired. So in this case, because of this lead conversion, one account record will be created, one contact will be created, one opportunity record will be created. Upon creating those records, on those particular records, on those objects, on account object, on contact object, on opportunity object, if there is any validation rules are available, what will happen? Validation rules will get fired automatically. Upon converting the lead as a customer on that target objects, on that account or contact or opportunity, if there is any validation rules are available, those validation rules will be getting fired automatically by default. Okay, those validation rules will get fired automatically by default. Now, in this case, what we can do? Until or unless I'm not satisfying these values, then I can't convert this lead as a customer, even though when I click on the convert button again, like it is not accepting. So then what we can do? Do I need to deactivate all those validation rules? No, my company won't accept. Then how can we do this one here? If I'm deactivating this validation rule, what will happen? You know that concept. During the validation rules, already told you on a single object, how many validation rules you can have? 100, maximum of 100 active validation rules you can have. Suppose, for example, on my account object, 100 active validation rules are there. On contact, 100 active validation rules are there. On opportunity, 100 active validation rules are there. That means totally 300 active validation rules are there on the combination of account, contact, opportunity. Now tell me, if I want to deactivate all these 300 validation rules, how much time will it take? Minimum 3 hours. We have to open each and every validation rule. We have to make it deactivated. That means active checkbox we have to unselect. That's it. So we have to repeat this task for 300 times. Now, just for the sake of converting one single lead record, do I need to spend 3 hours of time to deactivate all these validation rules? No. Suppose if I'm deactivating all these validation rules, then after conversion of the lead, again we have to reactivate the validation rules, right? Yes. Then again we have to spend 3 more hours of time. Just for the sake of converting one lead record as a customer, I have to waste the 6 hours of my time. Is it make sense? No. In this case, what we can do? In this case, I want to inform to my Salesforce instance, boss, today I'm converting a lead record, which is a very, very important lead person. So now he's ready to buy some bulk products also. So now I'm converting this lead as a customer, but he did not given all the value. So even though, please allow to convert this lead as a customer. Even though, please allow to convert this lead as a customer. Why? Because suppose, for example, let me give you a general scenario. Assume that today I'm having an onboarding formalities in TCS. I got a job in TCS. Today is my joining date. So in the offer letter, they have mentioned upon joining that organization and the joining formalities, I have to submit some documents like my educational documents, my past experience documents, my address proof documents, ID cards, photographs, like that I have to submit so many documents. Today is my joining date. So upon joining that, if I'm not having few of the documents, then what will happen? Will the TCS people will reject you to join the company? No. I'm informing to the TCS people, TCS HR people. So now you are expecting some Form 16 document, bank statement document, but these 2 documents I don't have right now. So now please give me 1 week of time. I will submit those documents. Will those people will consider or not? Yes. Even though I did not supply that all the documentations, they will be considering me as a employee. They will complete my joining formalities and then they will be giving to me some time. So now you can continue to join the company. You can continue to work on our projects also. And then you can take 1 week of time, then submit the documents later. No problem. You can continue. There is a possibility here also the same thing. So I am requesting to the Salesforce, boss, I'm converting a lead record as a customer, which is very, very important lead person, which is a very valuable lead person. I'm converting this lead as a customer. So now I did so much struggles. Okay, I did so much struggle to convert this lead as a customer, to convince that person to buy our product, so that I want to convert this lead record as a customer. So please allow me, okay, please allow me to convert this lead as a customer. Even though we did not provide all the values, please allow me to convert this lead as a customer. Then how can we do this? Then how can we do this one now? So now in this case here, Salesforce has given a feature. Salesforce has given a feature. So now we can inform to the Salesforce, upon converting the lead record, please don't fire the validation rules. Don't fire the validation rules. Upon lead conversion only, please don't fire the validation rules. Then what we can do in this case here? How can we do this? So now here in this case, Salesforce has given a feature. Go to the setup menu. Go to the build menu in the left panel. Click on customize. Go to the leads. Go to the lead settings section. Go to the lead settings section. Click on edit button. Click on edit button. And select the checkbox. Require validations for converted leads. Okay, unselect the checkbox. Require validations for converted leads, and then click on save button. Click on save button. That's it. So that here we can able to inform to that Salesforce, please don't find any validation rules. That means validation rules on that account contact opportunity records will be getting bypassed. That means simply ignored. Okay, simply it will be ignoring that validation rules available on this account contact and opportunity objects. That is the facility. So we no need to deactivate those validation rules. So only for the lead conversion process, we can inform to the Salesforce, boss, Dean, don't fire any validation rules right now, because I'm going to be converting a very valuable lead record as a customer. Now, please allow me to convert. Now, then how can we do this one? Let's see practically. Let's see the navigation. Now, so let's go with that Salesforce instance. I'm going to the build menu. Click on customize, leads. You will be having an option called as lead settings section. Lead settings section. Click on this lead settings section. Here, when you go to the lead conversion settings section, you will be having one checkbox is available, that is require validation for converted leads. That means you want me to find the validation rules upon converting the lead as a customer or not. If yes, select this one, or else unselect. So it is firing this validation rule. So I don't want to fire. For that one, just click on the select button. Unselect the checkbox. Unselect the checkbox, require validation for converted leads. Okay, unselect this checkbox. Click on save. Click on save button. Now let's go to that lead record conversion. We can convert. Now automatically it is converting the lead as a customer. Now, so now in this case, my lead has been converted successfully. Now, it has converted the lead as the customer. Okay, it has converted the lead as a customer. So now, what are the company name that we have in the lead record? So with that company name, it has created the account record. My account record name is what? IBM Incorporation. And then what are the details? Rating value has been copied. Phone value, fax value, website, industry, and then annual revenue, address information. Everything has been copied over here. Okay. Now, along with that, a related contact also has been copied. Let's go to the contact here. Now, with the name, first name and the last name, Ekta Kapoor, that is the lead record we have converted. So now Ekta Kapoor is a lead record which you have converted. So with that details, it is creating one contact record. First name is Ekta, last name is Kapoor. So it has copied that first name value, last name value of the lead. And then account name, that is that IBM Incorporation. Title also, address information also, phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, and everything has been copied. Along with that, with the same name, IBM Incorporation will create some opportunity record also. Go to the opportunities. So now IBM Incorporation, one opportunity record also has been created successfully over here. These are the records has been created. So whenever I'm going to be converting the lead as a customer, automatically Salesforce will create three records: an account record, and a contact record, and an opportunity record. Okay, this is how we can able to convert the lead records as a customer. Now in some cases in the entry point of view, they will raise a question. Now today I'm converting a lead record. For example, go to the leads, take any of the lead record. For example, let me take the lead records. Christian Akin, this is the lead record. So let me edit this one. Let me enter the details for the remaining fields. Indicating like as healthcare, annual revenue, some value, street information, some value, city, and then state, postal code, country, everything I have entered over here. Okay, I have entered all these details. So now my company name is Athena Home Products. Okay, Athena Home Products is the company name. Now this is the Kristen Akin is the lead card. She is one of the lead, okay, who is ready to buy our products or services. Now I want to convert this lead as a customer. So click on convert button. When I click on convert button, and then it will be converting the lead as a customer. Upon converting the lead as a customer, what will happen? Three records will be generated: an account, and a contact, and an opportunity. Three records will be getting generated. But sometimes in the entry point of view, they will raise a question. I want to convert the lead record as a customer without generating opportunity. That means I want to convert the lead as a customer, but upon converting the lead, account and the contact I want to generate, but opportunity I don't want. I don't want the opportunity record. I don't want to generate the opportunity record over there. So without generating the opportunity, I want to generate only account and the contact, okay, upon lead conversion. So upon lead conversion, I want to generate only account and the contact records, not the opportunity record. Then how can we do that? So in this case, let's see the practical part. How can we implement this scenario? So click on convert button. I want to make that lead record owner as training batch user, and I want to send the email notification to the lead owner. So now it is creating an account record with the name Athena Home Products. Opportunity name also as Athena Home Products. Now here there is a small checkbox is available here. Do not create a new opportunity upon conversion. That means what? Upon converting the lead record as a customer, don't generate any opportunity records. Okay, don't generate any opportunity records upon converting the lead as a customer. Upon converting the lead as a customer, don't generate any opportunity record. So I want to select this checkbox. Select this one. Now my company name is Athena Home Products. Click on convert. Lead record will be getting converted automatically. With this lead details, it is creating two records. One is account, second one is contact. See, account record has been created with the name Athena Home Products. And then let's go to the contacts. It is generating that Christian Akin, this is the contact record has been generated over here. And then opportunities. Do we have any opportunities with the name Athena Home Products? No. That means only account and contact has been created. Opportunity record is not yet generated here. This is how we can prevent the generation of opportunity upon converting the lead as a customer. This is a common question in every interview. Now, so this is how we are going to be converting the lead as a customer by using that lead conversion process. Now, here there is a drawback. What is the drawback in this case? For example, here I'm having a lead record with the name, okay, test lead record. I want to convert. How? Open that lead record, click on convert button, click on convert. It will be converting the lead as a customer. Okay, this is the process. We know that. We did this functionality as of now. Suppose I'm having, okay, for suppose I'm having 1000 lead records, which I want to convert. What we can do? How to do this? I have 1000 lead records. I want to convert all these 1000 lead records as our customers. How can we do this? In this case, in Salesforce, we don't have any such facility. If you want to convert the lead record, open the lead record, click on convert button, convert it. One record, and then open second record, click on convert button, convert it, and then third record, and then fourth, and then fifth, like that, record by record, record by record, record by record, we need to convert. That means one by one, one by one, one by one, we need to convert the leads as our customers. But in this case, if it is some 10 records, then okay, fine, I will manage my time. If it is some 100 records, okay, no problem, I will manage my time by spending some 1 hour. If it is some thousands of records, lakhs of records, million I need to convert, then what will be the situation? In this case, we need a feature called as bulk lead conversion. That means I want to convert the bulk lead records as customers in one shot. So in one shot, I want to convert the bulk lead records, more number of lead records I want to convert as the customers in one shot. But that kind of facility is not there in Salesforce. In Salesforce CRM, we don't have such kind of facility. Then how can we do that? This facility we can able to implement with the help of Apex programming. Through Apex programming, with the help of triggers, we can implement this. We can achieve this. There is a possibility. Okay, there is a possibility that through with the help of the triggers and by using this Apex programming, we can achieve that bulk lead conversion process. If you want to convert the bulk lead records as customers in one shot, multiple lead records as customers in one shot, then the only way is development. Through development, we can use Apex programming. As part of Apex programming, we can able to use the triggers, and with the help of these triggers, we can able to convert the lead records as the customers. Not only one, multiple lead records we can able to convert it as a customer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So can we even do that check in the checkbox for not creating opportunity with the trigger while doing that?
Yes, everything. You can do everything. What are the operations we are doing, okay, through with the help of this lead conversion process manually through user interface, everything we can do through programming also. If you want to send the email notification, then you can decide. If you want to convert the opportunity record, then you can decide. Everything we can do through programming. Because behind this screen also there is a programming is there. Okay, when you click on this convert button, behind this button convert button, there is some programming is there. That similar kind of programming we need to write through Apex programming. That's it, simple concept. Because without the business logic, how the button will do? So behind the button control, okay, behind the screen, behind the scene, there is some business logic is there that has been given by Salesforce. But that, like the similar fashion, we can implement our own business logics also according to our business requirement through triggers with the help of Apex programming for the bulk lead conversion process. That possibility is okay. Now, so this is how we are going to be converting the leads as the customers. Now, let me explain one more most important point as part of this lead conversion. Now, so I'm having this lead fields are available. Inside this lead record, I'm having so many fields: first name, last name, title, company, status. So many values are available here. So many fields. These values are coming into the respective account, contact, and opportunity. All these fields are standard fields. Suppose inside my lead record, I'm having a field called as PAN number. Upon converting this lead record as a customer, where this field value will go? Where this field value will go? In which record this PAN number will copy? In the account, in the contact, in the opportunity. If it is in the account, in which field it will copy? If it is contact, in which field it will copy? If it is an opportunity, in which field it will copy over here? We have to know. Now, so now here in this case, whenever I'm going to be converting the lead record as a customer, all the lead record values, nothing but field values will be copying into respective account, contact, and opportunity. What fields? Lead standard fields will copy into the account and the contact and opportunity. If there is a custom field is there inside my lead record, then what about this custom field value? Where this value will go upon converting as a customer? Will it go into account or contact or opportunity? It won't go anywhere. This data will lost. This is the internal concept. This is the internal behavior of lead conversion. So whatever the lead standard fields are there, these standard field values will be copying into account, contact, and opportunity. But if there is any custom fields are available in that lead record, these custom field values will be getting lost. Upon lead conversion, these custom field values will be lost. Then, but as a organization, as a business, I don't want to lose my data, because the data is asset for the business. Data is asset for the organization. So losing the data means losing the business, losing the customer, losing the revenue, losing the profit, losing the credibility in the market also. Then what we can do? So I don't want to lose my data. I want to copy my data to somewhere. Where? Into some account. I want to copy into account. You can copy into account also, contact also, opportunities also, wherever you want. It's your choice. Then how? In go to this account object here, create one field. like some PAN number. You can give any field name, no problem. PAN number underscore underscore C. Create one field and then do the mapping. Okay, do the mapping between these two. Okay, map these fields over here. That means whenever I'm converting the lead record, don't make this a field to be get values to be get lost. Please copy this a field value into account records PAN number. So we need to map these fields. For that one, Salesforce has given a feature called as lead field mapping. Lead field. There is a feature called as lead field mapping, which is used to map the lead fields with the respective account fields and the contact fields and the opportunity fields. Because whenever I'm going to be converting the lead as a customer, then whatever the fields are available inside this lead, okay, whatever the standard fields values are available, all these standard field values will be copying, okay, from the lead to the respective account and the contact and the opportunity. Then whatever the lead custom fields are available, those custom field values will be getting lost. But I don't want to lose those values. Whatever the values are there inside my lead custom fields, those values I would like to copy into somewhere. So for that reason, we are using the help of by using this lead field mapping feature, which enable to map that lead fields with the target object field, so that upon converting the lead record, this custom field value will be copying into this so and so objects, so and so field. Okay, now let me show you practically in this case. For example, inside my lead, okay, I'm having the various fields are available. Now I'm creating one more field with the name PAN number. PAN number is of type text, because PAN number is a alphanumerical value which will be having maximum of 10 characters. So I'm selecting the text data type. Go to the next. Field label is PAN number. Length I'm indicating like as 10 characters. 10 characters. Click on next button. Make that field to be get visible to all the profile users by selecting the visible checkbox. Click on next. Make it save. So I'm having this lead record. Open this lead, any one of that. I'm opening the lead record called as some beta boxer. Click on edit. I'm indicating the PAN number field. I'm giving the PAN number value. I'm giving some PAN number value. And then I'm having some values are also available, mobile number values and all these things. All the values have been entered. Now click on save. So whenever I'm converting this lead record as a customer, whatever the PAN number value is there inside my lead record, this PAN number value should copy into my account object. In my account object, I would like to copy this field value. Let's go to that account. Do we have any PAN number field is available over here? No. I would like to create a PAN number field. Create a PAN number field in the account object because I want to copy. Text type. PAN number. Number of characters are 10. Go to the next. Field names need not be same. Field names may be different, no problem. But data type should be same, length should be same. Please remember these two points. Upon copying the data from source to target, both the fields should be having same data type, both should be having same length. Okay. Now, in my account also, I'm having a field called as that is annual revenue field. Okay, so the PAN number field. In this field, I would like to copy. Let's see how can we do that. Let me close this user interfaces. Let's convert this lead. So this is the PAN number value. Click on convert button. Now I'm selecting this, click on convert. Automatically lead record will be getting converted as a customer. Whatever the PAN number value we have entered, that value will be copying into PAN number. So we did not map the field, right? Let's see. So let's go to that lead object and map the fields. How to map the fields? Let me show you. First of all, let me go with that lead record first. I'm using this brand mic. I'm giving that required values. Fax number also. State I'm indicating somewhere. No, I've given some values over here. First name I'm indicating like some brand mic. There is the details are available. I've given all this information. Now save this. Now I want to convert this lead as a customer. Whenever I'm converting the lead as a customer, this PAN number value should copy into account records PAN number. Then how can we do that? Now let's see. So let's go to that view fields of the lead record. When you go to the custom fields section of the lead, there is a button called as map lead fields button. Map lead fields button. So I want to map this lead record fields with the target object field. So click on map lead fields. Now let's map this. What is the source? Lead record PAN number field. So it is populating all the custom fields of lead. Standard field values will be copying automatically. These are already mapped. Okay, standard fields are already mapped. These are the standard fields which are already mapped. Then what about this custom field? I need to map it here. How can we do that? Now let's see. These are the various custom fields are there inside my lead object which are not yet mapped, because these are the lead custom fields over here. Because current generators, number of locations, PAN number, primary, product interest, SIC code. These are the custom fields are there inside my lead object which are not yet mapped. So now upon converting the lead, this value should go where? Okay, this value should go where? We have to indicate. So select this one. Where you want to copy, if you want to contact, or you want to copy into contact or account or opportunity, where you would like to copy. I want to copy into account. So in which field PAN number should be copying into which field? So they should be copied into PAN number field. Select the PAN number field. So this is how we are mapping that lead field. So now please copy, upon converting the lead, please copy the lead records PAN number field value into the account records, okay, PAN number field over. Okay, that's it, done. Now make it save. So we're done with the lead field mapping here. So from now onwards, whenever I'm converting the lead record, this lead record PAN number value will be copying into account records PAN number field. Click on convert button. Now click on convert. Now it is going to be converting that lead record as a customer. It will generate an account and a contact and an opportunity. This is the account record is available, and then the PAN number has been copied into the PAN number field of my account record here, because we have mapped that lead to account. So that whatever the PAN number I have entered inside my lead record, that PAN number value has been copied into account record automatically. This is a functionality of, okay, this is a functionality of lead conversion process in Salesforce. This is how we are going to be converting the lead as a customer. This is the lead conversion concept in Salesforce. Okay. So do the practice on this one today. Tomorrow we'll see some different features. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Let's do the practice on this lead conversion process.